welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys doing? We just woke up again. He's having his cup of tea. I'm gonna make my coffee, but first I have breakfast. It's so weird. यहाँ पे आके मैंने breakfast करना चालू कर दिया है. मेरे वहाँ पे नहीं करती थी और 11 बजे है. 11 बजे breakfast करती हूँ मैं और 2 बजे खाना खाती हूँ. That's my routine for now. So it's 10:30 right now. Normally I wake up around that time only यहाँ पे. Thanks to my husband who works late and shouts all the time.
Excuse me.
Because he's streaming. ससुराल में मैं इतना लेट उठती हूँ तेरे वजह से.
हैं? घर पे भी लेट उठती थी, कुछ भी ससुराल में लेट उठती.
Anyway, so I'm just waiting for my breakfast. Once I eat, have my morning coffee, then I'll see you. Okay guys, so I just got done editing video that I had to, so that was my work for today I think. Next, I am now super hungry. It's almost 2, so it's my time to eat now. बस इसके पेरेंट्स घर पे नहीं है तो कल रात को इसने कुछ तो ऑर्डर किया था. मैंने उसके साथ मेरा भी ऑर्डर दिया था. उसने पास्ता ऑर्डर किया था. मैंने बोला मेरे लिए hummus और pita bread ऑर्डर करो. So I couldn't eat the hummus. I decided to eat that right now. So I'm gonna heat that up. कोई करता है क्या ऐसा लेफ्ट ओवर फूड इन द मॉर्निंग? एम आई द ओनली वन? आई होप नॉट. Okay guys, so I just showered and I really wanted to talk to you guys about this one thing. So I went to Maldives recently. You guys will get to see the vlog soon, but because I went there, I got tanned and my skin got so dry. I'm pretty sure you can see the change yourself. So I really want my skin to go back to its original form, and for that I started using this Niacinamide serum daily in my skincare routine now. Here I have two Niacinamide serum by India's first 100% vegan beauty brand, Plum, and I have spoken about this in the past as well. I love using niacinamide because it's the perfect ingredient to give you bright and clear skin. I know it gets even more confusing to choose which serum because the actives is available in different percentages. So let me help you. Firstly, what is niacinamide? Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a water-soluble powerhouse which helps to fight blemishes, brightens the skin, and also improves uneven skin texture. Here I have got both Plum's 5% niacinamide face serum and the 10% one. Both these serums are fragrance-free, quick absorbing, and are suitable for all skin types. Plus, both of them contains rice water which helps to brighten your skin. Now, if you are confused which one to get for yourself, well, Plum's 5% niacinamide face serum is perfect for beginners who are looking to start using actives. This is perfect since it has low concentration of niacinamide in it. If you are someone who has been using serums or active for a while, then Plum's 10% niacinamide face serum will be good for you. Also, the 5% one is more water-like, so it's perfect for those people who are looking to layer on more products. The consistency of the 10% one, on the other hand, is a little bit more milky, perfect for those looking for added moisturization from their serums. Both will help to clear blemishes and dark spots, minimizes the appearance of pores, protect and repair your skin barrier, and also repair the sun damage, which is oh so needed for me right now. Now let me show you how to use this. After you're done cleansing your face, just take 2-3 drops on your palm and just lightly pat the niacinamide face serum on your skin. Wait for a few sec till the serum is fully absorbed before applying anything else. And the most important point, please do not skip sunscreen in the daytime. It doesn't have any artificial color or fragrance, and like all other Plum products, even this is 100% vegan, paraben free, and cruelty free. While both serums are amazing, pick the right percentage of niacinamide bases where you are at in your active based skincare journey. Let me know in the comments which one are you getting. I personally love using the Plum's 10% niacinamide after I cleanse my face and before I moisturize my face, both AM and PM, and I'm loving the results so far. Don't forget to check it out, and also don't forget to use the code to get 10% off on all Plum products. Okay guys, so it's been a while. Why is it so hot in Mumbai? My skin is shining and glowing though because of skincare. I think I saw a lot of comments related to this room and how I went from a pink room to a black room. To be honest, I know this is so not my aesthetic, and this is his room and it's full gamer themed. So we are not gonna change this, but instead we are gonna move out on rent. So we're gonna get an apartment, just the two of us, which will be very close to where this house is. And I'll do my setup there. I'll do the decor and everything according to my aesthetic over there. So don't you worry, your girl is not compromising or adjusting. Moreover, Midul is so understanding and he's very supportive of my choices and my likes, so he's very caring that way. You don't know about it yet. Right now we are just headed to get the papers and everything sorted for this property. Fingers crossed, hopefully we will get it.
Shop, huh? Great shop.
2 rupees. So I went to this cake shop. It looks so cute from the outside, and I just went there to get a bread, multigrain bread. That's all, because we already have so much cake from his birthday. So bread it is. Now the plan is that we are going out to eat. We are meeting a friend also. He's coming here to pick us up. And yeah, we'll just go and eat good food now. That's the plan.
Let's go.
Guys, देखो बड़े लोग Mercedes Audi में आते हैं. Hello Mayank.
Hello guys,
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm
Black nachos green. हैं? पहली बार देख रही हूँ. Okay guys, we're back home. I changed. He didn't. He's gonna go live now.
Yes.
I'm gonna chill on Netflix.
And
I'm
सब
jealous.
कुछ went very smoothly.
Yeah,
And
hopefully
everything
it
is happy. Yep.
goes the same way.
4 days to go.
He's dancing right now.
Because I'm happy, right? Na, 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 because I'm happy.
So yeah, anyway, by next week we'll be there. It's crazy how I'm moving again. मैं यहाँ पे वैसे भी ज़्यादा clothes नहीं लाई थी guys. So एक चीज़ अच्छा है, I was waiting for this because we knew this is what we are gonna do after शादी. So yeah. Nice dance, dude.
Oh, still recording?
So it's a good news. Get happy, Q2s and everyone. We're gonna have more fun, new content, everything is coming out. रील बना रहे हो क्या आप?
इतना कंटेंट है.
एक वीक से इसको कंटेंट दे रही हूँ उसके लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, ठीक है? So he has another shorts का channel where he just posts like short clips and all. वो बूम हो रहा है अभी यहाँ पे. मेरे को इतने व्यूज नहीं आते जिसको उसको शॉर्ट्स में आते हैं. What is this? Not fair. Hello guys, like, please like the video. Okay, guys, so it's
Not
11:30 now, and it's time for me to go to sleep. Don't worry, table नीचे चला जाएगा. But he's still live streaming, so he's gonna shout. He's gonna do everything.
अबे
The
मार
lights-
ना मार
That's-
मार ना बे
That's how I sleep for now. Yes, he's making
अबे
a
लेफ्ट पे देखना भाई अबे पागल है क्या
मेरी ऑडियंस पागल समझने वाली है देखो. Anyway, so yeah, I'll go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you again real soon. Don't forget to work hard, be kind,
Like,
stay positive, and I'll
like,
see you
like,
guys
like,
again in my next vlog. Okay?
उसी चैट में
See you.
किधर उसी आ रही है ना किधर
Bye. Bye बोलना.
हाँ
Bye.
bye guys make sure to like subscribe and hit the bell icon yeah